Hello, and today we're going to be talking about simultaneously solving equations using the elimination method. So this method is only used when you have something like this. Right? If you have an equation like this and you want to simultaneously solve them, find that point, whatever that is, then we need to use a little bit of subtraction. So what we do is we take the larger equation, right, in this case equation 2, and we're going to subtract the first equation, right, and then we're going to put these colon things here, and we're going to subtract. So 2x cancels out, and now we have 2y equals, and then we have to subtract the constants, so we get 5, and that means we have y equals 5 halves. So by doing this, we can now sub y equals 5 halves into an equation. To solve it, sub y equals 5 over 2 into, let's say, equation 1 for now. So 2x plus 5 over 2 equals 5. So it's 2.5. So we subtract. So now we just solve for x. So 2x is equal to 2.5. I've just subtracted this from both sides, and then x is equal to 2.5 divided by 2. We can't have a decimal in a fraction. We can times by 10. Yep. Right. 10 over 10. X equals 25 over 20, which is 5 quarters. And then we write our solution, and that's our x value 5 quarters, comma, and our y value 5 over 2, and that's our solution there. It's not necessarily as easy as it seems. So if I had these two equations here, I'm going to have to times one equation by some number, so I can actually cancel out either x or y. It doesn't matter, but in this case I'm going to cancel out x by timesing the first equation by 2. I put the colons to show that that's what I'm actually doing, and now I'm going to times the first equation by 2, so it comes 4x plus 2y equals 16. And then I will label this as a new equation, equation 3. And now I subtract the bigger equation from the smaller equation. So in this case, equation 2 is bigger. So I'm going to subtract equation that. So x cancels out. I get y equals, and then subtract 16 from 16, which means 0. So y is equal to 0. I can now sub in y equals 0 into one of the equations. I'll do equation 1 into equation 1. So I now get 2x plus 0 equals 8, which means x equals 4. So I just divide both sides by 2, x equals 4. So now solution, comma, 4, comma, 0. So that's all I have time for today for simultaneous equations elimination. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below or through social media, and I'll try my best to answer them all. And I will see you in the next video.